games against San Beda in the NCAA.
Oh, yeah. And last year, they also beat
In the second round.
Yeah. Last shot din. Jay Talampas. Kaya siya dito, pagka tutulog-tulog ka, pag tatamad-tamad ka, gugulatin ka ng kahit sinong team. Kaya pagka medyo liamado ka, if you're a favored team, you need to impose your will right away. It's grinder sa mga gritty na league eh.
Abiera.
Yung 26 nga na lamang kahapon, kinayod ng fourth quarter.
Borromeo. Oh, Concepcion bringing the ball down himself. Escamis. Oh, Estacio with a steal. Estacio. Oh, errant pass. Bubilia. Bubilia scores. Passing through Estacio.
Nakiraan lang, isang bangga, opening the gates to full head of steam. And you can defend sideways pagka merong attacker in front of you. If you're going to bump, you need to really commit to it.
For Anthony Borromeo, shooting the bonus, Chris Bubilia.
Let's get an update at courtside. Let's go back to Kayla Fable.
When it comes to leadership on the side of the Cardinals, it not only comes from the coaches, but from seasoned veterans in the form of Clint Escamis and Cyrus Cuenco. For Clint, it's all about tough love. Kung kailangan ko sigawan, sisigawan ko sila. But at the same time, di mawawala yung pag-acknowledge ko pag maganda ang performance nila. Ika nga niya, I give them every confidence in the world. And if they have it, they have it. When Cyrus Cuenco is on the floor, he does his best to remain vocal, knowing that with 10 rookies on the team, he is definitely one of the ones they look to. He knows that he is definitely one of the playmakers of the team, and he needs to find the right man to convert their possessions. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Anton and Coach Hammer.
Partners in crime. Ika nga.
Second team
Yep.
foul.
That's the new Mapua duo.
Maverick Pinoya.
So, I think they lead by example. Really by example. Kadalasan,
At the line,
sinasabi na offensive players na nag-lead. Ito,
Bubilia.
two-way players parehas eh. So, two of the toughest defenders natin. So,
Second free throw is in for Hubilia. Ernje. Vinoya.
tough shot. May si De La Cruz ng foul. Di tatawagan yan yung mga kalabit-kalabit. Lalo na pag nasa shaded area. Kung kukunin mo yung bola, kailangan talagang didiin ka para kukunin yung extra possession.
John Capulong comes in for
So De La Cruz, a
Joshua
very
De La
short
Cruz.
stint for him as Capulong returns.
Pero pag naturuan to nila Coach Chico, ang laki. Tsaka active body.
De La Cruz is in his third season in the NCAA. Oh, Hubilia falling down, loses his balance. Ernje switching hands.
Diyan mo maaasahan si Ernj Geronimo. Lalo na pag open court, walang help side, hilaw yung ball stop, aararuhin ganyan.
Foul on number
May dugong
one,
baste
Andre
kasi.
Iglianes.
Yung mga gwardiya ng baste,
Second,
ganyan talaga. Yung mga
First team foul.
Remember when we were covering him in the
three scorer
juniors?
yan.
He was a man amongst boys.
Yung edad din eh, man na rin siya nun eh. Hinog na siya. I mean, when you're playing high school and collegiate basketball, lagi ko ito sinasabi, iba yung maturity ng mas matanda ka. You have a lot more reps, a lot more years under your belt.
Ernje though missing 2 free throws.
Ayan, parehas sila ng laro. Di ba? Si RJ at saka si Lawrence Mangubat nung nasa high school.
Mangubat from the outside. And I would say that's the difference. Mangubat has a better outside shot.
True.
RJ is everything to the basket. Head down. Backdoor, natapikan. Igleana gives it to Escamis. Escamis to Igleana. Line drive.
Andre Iglesias, 3-point.
Escamis recognizing the threat. And the threat is not neutralized. Mapua leads Arellano 30-19.
Dahil together we own the future. This is our league. This is our moment.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumiting sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow.
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol.
Clint Escamis recognizing the strengths of his teammates because he knows that he cannot do it alone. And here he is giving it to the big man. Line drive.
Good look. And knowing that there is a trail guy, the confidence of Clint on his teammates' abilities to knock down a trail jumper. Something that is prevalent, lalo na ngayon. Nag-trickle down na, pero dati pa yan eh. Pagka-stretch 4 ka, dapat nasushoot mo yung trail jumper. Dati, dyan lang nga sa may free throw line yan. Ngayon, extend na to the 3-point area.
Escamis now with 4 assists. That's his average also. 4 assists per game here in season 100.
Ganda ng basa doon ng coming off the play. Yung play 4, top head eh. So, ball screen action and then big to big ball screen. Gusto nilang dalhin yung mas maliit na big guy sa post. So, pagka-switch kay Binoya, dumive lang si Kapulong. Wala, naka-akap na si Jubilia.
Ryan returns for Jubilia.
Chris Jubilia, 10 on the shot clock. 10.
Interesting lineup here on the floor for Mapua. Kapulong catches the defense napping.
Yup. Kaya pagkakailangan mo to, kailangan dito sa roster mo, meron kang mga 32 fouls sa mga big man mo na baon. Pagkakalaban mo, mga liwag, mga kapulong. Kasi alam mo, may mafa-foul trouble at mafa-foul trouble. Kasi kailangan mo lagyan ng pressure, kailangan mo daganan yung mga big men, liwag, kapulong, yung mga ganyang tipo. Tsaka alam mo, magbibigay ka ng foul pag nakuha nila ng masyadong malalim na.
Tatlo sila dyan sa loob ngayon. Ryan, Concepcion at Habonete.
Ang importante naman dyan is to, uy, ano nangyari? Lane violation. Good call. Sa kabila naman, pag nakakakuha ka ng foul na gano'n, you need to really maximize your free throws. Kasi big man kaya, alam mo na yan eh, pagka sumili ka ng madiin, it's either pa-fouling ka or makakakuha ka ng point blank shot.
Escamis. Mangubat.
Same play.
Pushing foul on number 7, John Habonete, second. And that is the 14th foul for Mapua.
Ganun kalalim yung rotation, kailangan gamitin si Aaron
Aaron
Fermin
Fermin comes in for John Habonete.
against a school that he is
Also,
very
Cyrus
familiar.
Cuenco replacing
First also coming from the
Yam
Braves.
Concepcion.
Aaron Fermin.
Has played sparingly though.
Yep.
For Mapua, averaging just 3 minutes per game. And called for a foul right away.
Oh, wow. Ang tinawagan ng foul si Aaron Fermin. Hindi yung
And
pag-rip
check
ni
foul on number 11.
Kaya natin
Aaron
dito
Fermin,
on this
penalty
switch.
First. Shooting 2, John Capulong.
dahil tinamaan siya ng cross screen.
Now, in terms of physical size, Fermin seems to be the biggest guy, the biggest big man on the Mapua roster.
Yep.
He could be of use down the road. It's glaring eh. Yung laki ng kaha. Yung thickness.
Pero thickness does not equate to strength naman.
Escamis pulls up.
Another rebound by Edward Ryan.
Battle for the loose ball. Ongotan wins it. Valencia. Vinoya on the move. And Vinoya draws a foul.
Ito yung nadagdag na layer sa laro ni Mav Vinoya. Yung off the ball, off the catch. Kasi nakakashoot na siya ng 3 points. So ngayon, yung mga kontra-tempo niyang dribble, tapos dadaganan ka ng konti, sasandalan ka, and then enough bump para makakuha siya ng lead.
Shooting 2, Maverick Vinoya.
Nadagdag niya yan, ha? Siguro dahil he is in better shape now. Ako paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, pero kita kasi the way that he is moving from their first game ngayon sa laro nila. Iba eh. And I see that you're looking at the shoes, huh? I saw that. It's a thumbs up from our resident fashionista. That's a thumbs up. Nakita ko na pangiti niya eh.
I like the Captain America colors.
Diba?
I couldn't miss it.
Ganoon na tayo katagal magkasama, Brad. Scouted na kita. Kasamo. Tama yan.
I was like, hey, those colors look familiar. Cuenco pulls up and connects.
And speaking of something that looks familiar, the past 5 games, Sai Cuenco has been on a tear.
Yeah, there was that one game where both he and Nint had at least 20 points.
Tsaka nag-career high yan in their last game.
Rusty Valencia is second. Third team foul. Substitution.
There's that midi.
Young Concepcion for Edward Ryan. Renzo Viera for Basti Valencia. Yuan Kamay for Ern J. Geronimo.
So wala pa nasushoot na field goal in the second quarter itong Arellano. 3 out of 3 naman itong Mapua. So just enough to keep them at bay.
Cuenco pulls up. Concepcion. I really love how these quote-unquote bigs of Mapua are crashing the boards.
Crash boards daw.
Number 12, Renzo Viera is first. And that is the 14th foul for Arellano.
You saw how Maverick jumped
Will Aguimeñe comes
before Concepcion did, so it was all about timing on that
for
rebound
Clinton
opportunity.
Escamis. Young Concepcion.
Dalawa lang yun eh. Kung hindi ka
Shooting
mabigat
14.
at hindi mo kayang bumax out, siguraduhin mo ikaw yung pinakamabilis kumuha ng bola. So quicker to the basketball.
And speaking of quicker to the basketball, Mapua just got quicker to the rebound.
Ayun, nabate. Free throws pala, Anton, hindi field goals. Free throws. Nati ni JR eh. Nagmintis tuloy yung unang free throw.
Aguimeñe is now in, Coach Hammer.
Ito isa pa itong athletic na fighter. Alam naman, pag mga fighter, nasa scouting report eh. Oy, fighter. Check.
Kamay. Capullo. Oh! Big boy move.
As something different, kinargahan yung right side ni JL Capulong. Went to the drop step, papuntang baseline and finishing in traffic.
Oh, what an interception by Vinoya. Yuan Kamay with the finish.
High glass.
From Maverick Vinoya.
Bakale.
Uy,
Backdoor.
backdoor.
Oh, sayang.
Another offensive rebound for Mapua.
And Agameni picks up the loose ball. Cuenco for three. And Vinoya picks up the loose ball. Kamay recovers it. And Kamay travels.
Traveling.
Humihingi ng tulak si Kamay. Ito muna yung galaw. Isang tak-tak. Baseline, P-hit, finish. For JL Capulong. And transition basket for Yuan Kamay.
Great control by Kamay there. Eight-point lead para sa Mapua. Cuenco. 12 on the shot clock. Cuenco throws it out. Agameni, corner three. And Abiera loses control of the basketball. That's a foul on him.
Yun lang, penalty sila dito. Pagkuha ng
Nagmadali.
bola. Pagkuha ng bola. Oh, teka lang, di pa tayo nakakashoot. Ilang possessions na nagto-turnover. Oh, relax. Hatak
Holding
lang.
well on number 12, Renzo Abiera.
You can be
It
fast,
was an
but not
offensive
in
foul
a rush.
on number 12, Renzo Abiera's first foul. Or make it second foul for Renzo Abiera. 14 to shoot.
Bakale uses his speed. Concepcion.
No basket.
So follow on the box out. Si Yam Concepcion.
Foul on number 34, Yam Concepcion.
Pero napansin natin
Penalties
whenever
first.
Arellano goes for that switch, hinahatak ng mga guards ngayon ng Mapua, ina-ISO nila yung big man. Ilang possessions na to, Cuenco against Capulong. Hinahunt nila si Capulong. Ayan o, sa kanya na naman yung ISO. Kanina si Cuenco nakita natin nakakuha ng basket. Ito yung foul.
John Capullo.
Ginamitan ng konting balakang.
He's got a soft touch. JL Capulong does.
Sa pagkaganyan, kailangan mag-invest ka na ng oras sa free throw line. So alam mo, mapafoul at mapafoul ka throughout the game eh. That was the first free throw make of the quarter for Arellano, and they had 10 golden opportunities sa palagay na paasok nila.
Aaron Fermin. Seconds to shoot.
Vinoya. Ball will stay with Arellano. Seven-point lead for the Cardinals.
8 on the shot clock, 8 seconds to shoot.
Miller. Vinoya. Vinoya throws it back out. Abiera will shoot. Miller, offensive rebound and draws a foul.
Yep, 2 free throws for Dre Miller.
Holding foul on number 2, Noel Agameni, penalty. Timeout, Mapua Cardinals.
And when we come back, Miller will shoot 2.
This is our league. This is our moment. Sa puso mo, the sky is the limit. Tara na, magsama-sama.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, itong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Colegio de San Ugo.
We've got Dr. Lorenzo of Emilio Aguinaldo College sitting in the VIP.
Own the future.
Well, no EAC game today. Melchor Divina of Mapua University. So the next EAC game will be on Friday at 2:30 against JRU.
Would be a good one. Must win for both teams.
Short on the first for Dre Miller. He's got his dad's smile. The famous Willie Miller smirk.
And we hope that it's not just a smile that he got from his dad. Dahil legend yan.
Much improved Igniani, bringing the ball down for Mapua.
Next action.
Cuenco creates some separation. Miller stops on a dime. Hobilla with a rebound. Hobilla, spin move. Pagkale. Nothing but the bottom of the net.
Good recognition. Medyo nawala na nga sa pihit si Hobilla.
What a spin move there by Hobilla.
Medyo out of control na nga, pero Pangkale at the right place at the right time, setting up his feet,
Escamis.
knocking it down.
2 free throws. Renzo Abiera.
So both teams are in the penalty with still 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the first half. This drastic confidence change of Renzo Abiera.
Bumitaw ng dalawang 3 points sa end.
It's like he just woke up one day feeling dangerous like Baker
Yep.
Mayfield.
Natapat. Natapat. Tsaka makakatulong yan sa round 2, ah. Kasi syempre, nag-iwan ka na ng tape. Nag-iwan ka na, tatanggalin na lahat ng kaya mong gawin.
Oh, Hobilla. Thinking like he's in high school all over again, just running over
Actually,
everybody.
yun na nga yung ginagawa niya. Talagang sinasagasaan ng lahat. Dahil yung mga nakat-matchup sa kanya, panay guards. Panay guards ngayon.
Chris Rubilla.
Dahil parang 4 na guards nga itong ginagamit ni Coach Randy Alcantara. Dahil malaki si Hobilla eh. Pero ang laro niya, pang wing.
Yeah. With his banner, the man-child, Chris Hobilla.
Iba yung naalala ko pag man-child eh. Mga ganun, mga OG minor. Yun, Brad, na-experience ka din yun. Ganun level, yun yung man-child. Ganun yun, pagka NC ang usapan. Tall order yun, Brad eh. Pagka sinabi mo,
Naalala ko si OG Menor, para siyang Zion Williamson nung
iba
high
yun.
school.
Brad, iba yung finals MVP yun. Tsaka proven commodity. One at every level.
Yung laki niya and the way he could move, very scary.
Uh-huh.
Oh! Abiera with another one.
And really, confidence is sky high para sa kanya ngayon.
13 points for Abiera. Jubilia wants
Nice,
this. Jubilia moves left. Jubilia finishing with the left hand.
Yup. Walang help side doon. Ginagawa lang nila 1-4. Kung sino nakatapat kay Kapulong, inaatake doon na inaatake.
Abiera again. What? Renzo Abiera from way out. 16 points. This kid is something else.
Ano naman? ISO na naman.
Jubilia steps back, moves closer. Renzo Abiera has caught fire. And Chris Jubilia, well, his confidence is also on another stratosphere right now.
Layo nito. Sinewan pa yung bantay.
So this is already a career high for Abiera. 16 points.
Lead this comes for Jacob Bancale. Joseph Hernal replacing John Capulong. Also, Yam Concepcion comes in for Andre Igliane.
Puro guards na yung pinasok na magkabilang team. So, matching up.
Okota. Abiera. Abiera on the attack. Abiera, what a move!
Switching hands. 18 points in the first half.
And he's got that stank face. He's feeling it. Mangubat. Jubilia with time. And that will do it for the first half.
Score at the half.
Mapua leads Arellano 41-37. This is our live coverage of NCAA Season 100. Signo Uno, inspiring legacies.
Together